I was lost inside my weakness, carrying the weight of shame. Every step felt heavy, every hope felt far away. But you saw me in the darkness, you called my name with grace, and you reached into my brokenness and pulled me from that place. I didn't earn your mercy, I couldn't buy your peace. Still you chose to love me, still you rescued me. I am redeemed by your love, I am restored by your grace. You took my scars and my failures and washed them all away. I am redeemed by the cross, by the blood that set me free. I am no longer who I was, I am redeemed. You took the tears I cried in silence, you heard every desperate prayer. You turned my mourning into worship, you met me right there. Where guilt once ruled my heart, now your forgiveness reigns. You gave me beauty from the ashes and hope instead of chains. Your mercy rewrote my story, your truth has made me new. I am redeemed by your love, I am restored by your grace. You took my scars and my failures and washed them all away. I am redeemed by the cross, by the blood that set me free. I am no longer who I was, I am redeemed. No more fear, no more shame, no more debt I could not pay. You declared my soul forgiven when you took my place. I stand here